In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Ask Attio AI. Start by opening your Attio workspace and heading to the home area. Here's the big idea. Attio AI is a built-in assistant that understands the people, companies, and deals already stored in your CRM. It uses that existing context, like notes, timelines, and fields your team maintains, to answer questions and help you prepare faster. It doesn't replace your CRM, it sits on top of it, respects your workspace permissions, and only surfaces information you're allowed to see. Think of it as a knowledgeable teammate you can talk to in plain English. Once you're on home, look for the Ask Anything chat box. You don't need special commands, just type like you're talking to a real person. For example, you could say, "Prepare me for my client meeting on June 1st. Attio AI will pull together relevant details such as recent interactions, open tasks, deal context, and any keynotes it can access, then turn that into a clear, actionable preparation summary. You'll typically see suggested talking points, reminders about previous conversations, and potential next steps to consider. A helpful tip here: be as specific as you can. Include the meeting date, the client or company name, and your goal for the meeting. The more context you give, the more precise and useful the output becomes. If something looks off, refine your prompt with a quick follow-up like, "Focus on product feedback and open blockers," and it will adjust. You can also ask status-style questions the same natural way. Try, "What is the status of the deals?" and watch results appear in real time. Attio AI will summarize what's moving, what's stuck, and what might need attention based on the data it can see. If you want more focus, add a filter in your prompt, like "This quarter, owned by me," or above a certain value. You can even ask for formatting, such as a short summary, a bullet-free paragraph, or a concise list of highlights, all through your wording. If anything surprises you, it's a good cue to double-check the underlying records and make quick edits so future answers stay accurate. To recap, open Home, use the Ask Anything chat, and phrase your requests in natural language. Ask for preparation help before meetings, and get instant overviews when you need a pulse on your pipeline. Keep your prompts clear, provide context, and iterate with simple follow-ups. That's all you need to start getting real value from Attio AI. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more.